Hey, I need some help. I'm trying to create a new resume, but I don't know where to begin.
No problem. I can help you with that. Let's start by brainstorming what you want to include on your resume. What are your career goals and what relevant experience do you have?
My career goal is to get a job in marketing, and I have some experience working on social media campaigns.
Great, that's a good start. Now, let's focus on making your resume stand out. Start by creating a strong headline that summarizes your experience and skills.
Okay, what do you suggest for my headline?
How about, experienced marketing professional with a passion for social media campaigns?
That sounds good.
Next, let's list your professional experience. Start with your most recent job and include key responsibilities and accomplishments for each role. Be specific and use strong action verbs to make your experience sound impactful.
I see, so I should focus on what I actually did and achieved in each job.
Exactly.
And don't forget to include your education and any relevant skills, such as knowledge of marketing tools or proficiency in a certain language.
That makes sense. Thanks for your help. I think I have a better idea of where to begin now.
You're welcome.
Remember to tailor your resume to the specific job you're applying for, and don't hesitate to ask for feedback from someone you trust. Good luck! And if you are in need of more assistance, check out our website at w.r.a.c. and connect with one of our professionals. After all, we were voted Best Resume Writer in Las Vegas of 2023.